I welcome you to today's episode. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step without any steps skipped, how you can successfully add an item to your 1688 mobile cart. Yes. So without much ado, let me just take my smartphone and practically demonstrate this for you. So this is the homepage of my 1688 mobile app. But before you think of adding an item to your 1688 cart, what is the essence of it? Sometimes you might have sourced for something, you might have searched for something on the 1688 mobile app, and you don't want to misplace the link, or you don't want to misplace or lose contact of that particular link or that particular product or that particular supplier. So you go and save it or add it to cart in order for you to quickly identify it next time as and when you want to place a successful order, or as and when you need the same product. So this is cart. This is my cart at the very moment. So you can see previous things that I've added to my 1688 cart, as I said earlier. So I can scroll down so you can see everything carefully. So in order for me to go add a product to my 1688 cart, I come to home. Mind you, you might have sourced for your particular choice of items that you want to add to cart. So I take a classical example to be this collagen. So I click on it, then I wait for it to open. When it opens like this, then I can scroll down so you can see collagen so nicely. Oh yes. So in order for me to add this very product to my cart, what I need to do from here is to click on where the arrow has pointed, that is add to cart. So I click on it, then it brings me to this very interface. Then from this interface, I now select the quantity. You can choose any quantity of your choice, or sometimes the system itself or the algorithm of 1688 automatically input the quantity. The algorithm of 1688 automatically input the MOQ quantity there. So when that is done, then you can click at the bottom part where the arrow is pointing, or where you see the Chinese character in white with the orange background in long, the very one at the bottom. So I click there. So you see that a pop-up came. So this basically means it has successfully been added to my 1688 mobile cart. So in order for me to check as to whether or not it has been added successfully, let me go click or open my cart and go check it. So I wait for it to load. So when I scroll to the top, it will be the first product at the very top. So you can see it at the very top. That's healthy hair, skin, nails, and super collagen. So you can see everything all for yourself. This means I have successfully added an items to my 1688 mobile app. So guys, one may ask, how many items or products can you add to your 1688 cart? The 1688 cart, mobile cart, has a limit or a number of products it can contain at a given period of time. So don't go and be loading your cart with numerous of items or numerous of products. Rather than that, it will get to its threshold where you can add again. Notwithstanding that, sometimes when you add items to your cart and it exceeds a certain number of months or days or weeks, the algorithm of 1688 will automatically delete them or do away with those products in your 1688 mobile cart. Notwithstanding that too, sometimes when you add items to your 1688 cart and this very product is out of stock, the system will automatically take it out of your 1688 mobile cart, unless you go source for a different thing. Yeah. So guys, once again, I'm the person of Efo Jimado, the founder of Money Smile GH. If you find value in this very tutorial, do let me know. So guys, stay tuned as I walk you through my next step-by-step tutorial as far as this how to buy, pay, and ship from the 1688 mobile app is concerned. See you.